Welcome to this training on how to properly collect and ship blood samples for the ILDX Flare Risk Index Test and ILDX Disease Activity Index Test. In this video, you will learn how to use the Progentec Clinical Test Kit, how to label and package specimens, and how to ship them so they reach the Progentec laboratory on time. This is a time-sensitive process. Patient samples must arrive at the Progentec lab within 36 hours of collection. Samples must be shipped Monday through Thursday by overnight courier. Do not store samples overnight. Always ship them the same day as the blood draw. Before starting a collection, confirm that you have all these components, plus any additional personal protective equipment required by your facility. The ILDX Clinical Test Kit includes one Progentec test requisition form where either or both tests can be selected, one copy of ILDX L-FRI/DAI blood collection and shipping guidelines, 3 yellow top ACD solution evacuator tubes, 8.5 milliliters each, which allows one test tube per test and a spare tube to be used if necessary, one biohazard bag with absorbent material, one cardboard box to hold the sample and requisition form, one FedEx or UPS UN3373 packed plastic envelope for biological substance, Category B. You'll receive a FedEx or UPS envelope with return shipping label based on the overnight carrier you indicate on the onboarding form. Basic blood draw supplies: a tourniquet, alcohol prep pad, Vacutainer blood collection set, and Band-Aid. Begin with your facility's standard patient identification and safety protocols. Once those are complete, review the test order and the Progentec requisition form to confirm which ILDX test has been requested: the L-FRI test, the DAI test, or both L-FRI and DAI tests. If both tests are ordered, plan to draw 2 yellow top ACD tubes, 1 tube per test. Then perform a blood draw following your facility's standard venipuncture protocol. The minimum required volume is 4 milliliters, which is half full for these 8.5 milliliters tubes. Before or immediately after collection, prepare your labels and requisition. Incomplete requisitions can delay processing, so take time to fill in all the sections, including insurance information. Place the labeled and filled Vacutainer into the biohazard bag that contains the absorbent material. Document the time of collection, date of collection, and your name or initials. Store them at room temperature. Do not refrigerate or freeze. Do not store samples overnight. All samples must be shipped the same day they are drawn. Remember, samples must arrive at the Progentec lab no later than 36 hours after collection. Samples that arrive after 36 hours will be rejected, and the patient will need to be recollected. Do not collect or ship specimens on a Friday, since they cannot reach the lab within the required time. Prepare the package for shipment. Place the sealed biohazard bag containing the sample, with its requisition in the outer pocket, into the supplied cardboard box. Close the cardboard box and seal it with tape to prevent opening in transit. Next, prepare the outer shipping container. Place the sealed cardboard box into the pre-labeled FedEx UN3373 packed plastic envelope. If you have multiple patients tested on the same day, place each patient's individual cardboard box into the same UN3373 pack. One plastic envelope can hold several boxes, as long as each box contains only one patient's sample and requisition. Place the package in your designated area for carrier pickup, schedule a pickup, or drop the package off at an appropriate FedEx or UPS location. Confirm that the location accepts biohazardous shipments and that the pickup time will allow the package to arrive at the Progentec lab within 36 hours of collection. Thank you for completing this ILDX L-FRI/DAI blood collection and shipping training. By following these steps, using the correct yellow top ACD tubes, labeling carefully, keeping each patient's sample separate, and shipping the same day for arrival within 36 hours, you help ensure that every specimen can be processed without delay and that patients receive reliable test results. If you are ever unsure about a step, pause and review the ILDX collection and shipping guidelines, or contact the Progentec laboratory for clarification before proceeding. Thank you for ordering from Progentec Diagnostics.